first card I printed from the printer to like see if like I can print the greeting cards myself, and it came out perfectly.
Scan an item or select an option.
I woke up really early. I don't have an appointment until 12. I've got a whole bunch of like filming to do, like content, and I've got to make phone calls. I've still got to send my form to the dentist. That's where I'm going. I've got an appointment at the dentist at 12, and then afterwards I've got to go and do the food shop. But yeah, I thought, let me just wake up early. You need to get in touch with someone to talk about my tax. Like, yesterday I tried to get a hold of them, and literally I think I rang like 2 or 3 times. There's no one available to help you. Goodbye. I'm gonna try and call them today. I think maybe like yesterday they were just having a really funny day. And on top of that, it's Monday. People are a bit shifty on Mondays. While I'm on the phone to them, sort out my hair. So it is, how long? I literally have like 40 minutes until I have to leave the house. But I've done everything. I've filmed all my cutaways for my other videos. I've got a hold of someone about my tax. Currently warming up the baby milk. That's what that noise is. I'm waiting for your milk. So as I was saying, yeah, basically seriously such a productive morning. Got a hold of someone straight away about my tax. I literally picked up the phone like instantly. No waiting music or nothing. It was seriously, I always think if you're like calling to sort things out and you have to call certain departments, call them during the first hour opening. Seriously, you get hold of someone really quick. I've even filled out my dentist form, because yeah, before I get there I need to fill in a form. The last like work stuff I have to do is just like film this video as part of like the studio vlog. Well, this video is going to continue, give you an update on like the shop and stuff. Currently, as I'm filming, by the time the second time this video goes up, the greeting cards are already live on my Etsy store. As I'm filming, my first studio vlog of the year hasn't gone up yet. I know, right? I'm just filming like a batch of videos. I think this is good because it sets me up really good. I wanted to give you an update on the shop. The issues I had with my greeting cards were I needed envelope for them, and I couldn't like work out which kind of size, because obviously you're making greeting cards, you've got to work out what kind of like envelopes you need, envelope sizes you need. So I found out, so I went to Hobbycraft. I was supposed to like purchase some envelopes in there, but the envelopes they had, I didn't like the colours. They were all out of white. Yeah, they just had like red, just did not have like very pleasing type of colours. So I came back home with the idea that I'm going to purchase it online, and then the thought came to me, why not try on Etsy? Like maybe someone on Etsy sells envelopes. And they do. The envelopes arrived. I opened the packaging up during the night, so I couldn't like see what colour the envelopes were, but I ordered pink. You can see I'm obsessed with pink. Look at my nails. I'm gonna take out one of them. Yeah, this is really good. At one point, you guys, I was thinking maybe I should start making my own envelopes. I literally watched a video how to make an envelope. Like, seriously. Like, and then while I was watching it, I was like, this is too much. I can't, this is too much for me. See the envelope? I feel like that's so good. Yeah, that works so well. Really happy. So from now on, I'm going to be buying my envelopes on Etsy, but supporting another small business. Also, with this card, I am finally sending it to the midwife. If you watch my last studio vlog, which is technically my first studio vlog of the year, this is the first card I printed from the printer to like see if like I can print the greeting cards myself, and it came out perfectly. I was like, I need to send a thank you card to the midwife that looked after me when I was in hospital, to the midwife and all the other midwives all the other midwives as well. So this card is going today after I finish my appointment with the dentist. So I'm going to quickly write in there all my thank you.
Scan an item or select an option. Insert cash.
It is just after 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm sitting on my bed. By the way, I'm not always in my room. Today I was out and about. I woke up really early. I woke up 4 o'clock in the morning. I know. I told myself I need to like return something. I ordered company that I'm trying to return it to. They just give me such a runaround. I don't even think I'm going to order from them anymore when they do give me my refund. And that's what that's what I don't like. I don't like terrible customer service. They're asking me if you want to return it, give us the batch number, tell us what the issue is, send us also a photo of the item and all of those things. And I've done that. And a different person emails me and says like, oh, I'm really sorry that's happened. Could you send the batch number? It's like, oh, why am I being asked to send the same stuff I've already sent? And like these type of things just make you think, when with your store you're not going to be giving people to run around. Just professional. I'm not giving people to run around. No, I'm just not here for it. I actually had to put in that email, if this doesn't get sorted, I'm not ordering from you guys again. It's been like 2 weeks. Why is it 2 weeks just to return something and I've still not got like details of how to return it? Usually around this time, I would say it's like after 5 o'clock, it's like quiet time around the home. So I've called it quiet time. It's basically everyone goes and does their own thing. Also, today's sort of like a reset day. I've got to iron some new curtains I bought for the kids. I just went downstairs to do laundry, and then I'm gonna plan what I'm doing tomorrow. And I'm taking product pictures for my eBay store and my Etsy store. The past week and a half, I just had so much stuff that I needed to get done. And like, I'm the type of person that I don't like to be overwhelmed with so many things to be done. I don't like. I thought I didn't like to be overwhelmed with stuff to do. A week and a half, and I've just had so much stuff that I needed to get done. I ended up like just getting them done during the week. But yeah, I just found that I was able to do all of these things, like juggle homeschooling, mum stuff, right, with other things like filling in forms. Like the other day I had a relative that said they needed help with a letter they needed to send for like I think it was it's to do with being he's self-employed, so he needed help with that letter. And like he said like, could you like have it ready for me in like 24 hours? So I was like, oh my goodness, like, oh my goodness, I've got all this stuff that I need to do and he's asking me to do a letter. Like, usually stuff like that, even like filling in forms, takes me like a few days. Actually, the whole day I just tackled all my normal stuff that I need to tackle, and then when it got to like bedtime, I started doing the letter. Oh my goodness, yeah, I did it, and the letter was ready the next day. I told myself, why is it? And like, and it wasn't just that, it was just other things as well that just needed to be done, and things that needed to be sent. I just tackled it. It was just the mindset of like, I've got to do this. I did it. And also, originally they were supposed to come on the weekend. I told them, come on the weekend because I'm free. I don't have to like, the kids are, having their break from homeschooling as usual with other kids. Saturday and Sunday we don't do anything. To come on the weekend, they didn't come on the weekend, and they came during the weekday, and I was stressing myself. I was like, oh my goodness, they're coming. All these things that I've had to juggle. I really, really liked it. The other day I had a dentist appointment and I had to send off the thank you letter to the midwife ward. I had only like a few minutes to leave the house, and I was like right in the, I just told myself, I don't, you guys, basically what I'm just trying to say is that I've told myself for a very long time that I can't, for a very long time I just thought I couldn't juggle having more things to do. And just the past week and a half, I've just noticed that all the things that I needed to tackle, that I needed to get done, I did it. And it just made me know that from Monday to Friday, I can tackle things. I just need to time things correctly. So I'm going to go and have like my little reset day. Later on before I go to sleep, plan what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And we're going to Friday. Hello on a Sunday. I wanted to give a cute update on the Etsy shop. Yeah, I can't. So the thing is, I can't launch any products by right now. I need to let you guys know, when you're watching this video, all the greeting cards are available on my Etsy store. This is just me vlogging the whole process before I start uploading any studio vlogs this year. So you literally can go in the description box and yeah, you can purchase all the cards that I have available on the shop. As I'm filming this video, I haven't launched anything. As you're watching this video, you can go and like purchase something in my Etsy store. Yesterday I was printing. One of the prints came out, but it only came out, all the black writing came out and the pink writing in the greeting cards didn't come out. And it literally, the computer said you ran out of like coloured ink. So I need to purchase coloured ink, so I have to pause things, reschedule my first studio vlog. Also, I ran out of paper as well, so I need to repurchase that. Not like unhappy about it, because here's the thing, I want to do this properly and I want to like show you guys like the process of everything. Because these studio vlogs haven't gone live, it means by the time they do go live, I have like a bunch of like more videos that I'm, you know, filming and editing, and I can be like I'll be like ahead of my studio vlogs and like be able to bring like regular content, which is what also I'm currently doing as well, because I'm currently also editing and filming my life vlog. So Mondays are studio vlogs, and then later on during the week it's just normal life vlogs. I said to myself, let me stick to life vlogs where I just give you guys hauls, me out and about with the kids and stuff, just doing life stuff. Yeah. Today I'm having a really productive Sunday. I've like did a really deep clean downstairs. Yesterday as well I did like a clean as well. I still haven't finished all the tasks I need to do today, but I'm just having one of those days where I'm tackling a lot of things. I've got a letter that I need to write, I need to send to the post office, a legal letter. I'm just becoming like Priscilla, where I'm no longer like, I can't cope, there's too much things to do. It's like, get on with it. You literally get on with it, find time, and literally there's time to do everything. There's time to do everything. I've learned, that's what I've learned in this vlog. I can do everything, I just need to reschedule. I need to just schedule things at the right timing. So go and actually check out the Etsy store. You can buy the greeting card. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope this studio vlog inspired you to open up that little business of yours, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be greeting cards or sketching or anything like that. It's just to like get you started. Yeah, get you started to like maybe start up a side hustle or something, because times are tough, energy prices are going up. Even though times are tough, it's like I realize, you know what, I need to start doing things that I enjoy, that make me happy. And I've always wanted to do this, and it's genuinely making me happy. And it's not even about making it is about making money, technically is, but it's like at the same time you want to do something that you're genuinely passionate about and that brings you joy. And we need, I swear a lot of us need that right now. And yeah, and that's what this Etsy store is. It's just gonna bring me joy. Like, I'm more excited about packing orders than like actually making money. I know, because the money stuff you worry about later, but like I'm just like genuinely excited about like when it's my turn to like start packing orders for people, because I even watch other people like I enjoy packing orders. I want to be that person to buy that label machine where it prints out all the addresses and you. I'm looking forward to those days. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.